Welcome to example 1e, factor 4x squared minus 16x minus 9. Now this problem is a little bit more challenging for three reasons. This lead coefficient is not prime, this constant term is not prime, and I've got minus signs. So once again, I'm looking for two numbers that have a product of that, and after FOILing, I get a resultant sum of that. So over here, my choices are 4 and 1, or 2 and 2. Over here, I know I must have a mixture of signs because I've got a negative. So I could be, over here I could be 1 and 9. I'll go negative 1 and 9. Or I could be 1 and negative 9. Or I could be 3 and negative 3. So those are my three product pairs that give me a negative 9. Here are my two product pairs that give me a 4. All right, so I'm going to start with my lead template. I could be 4x and 1x, or I could try 2x and 2x. Only one of these will work, but I've got to try each if I don't readily see the answers. So there's not going to be two answers, but I've got to try the 4x 1x and the 2x 2x. And I've got to try all three of these product pairs. So this is where the factoring gets a little bit more challenging. All right, so if possible, if you could be thinking of what numbers might work, that would be helpful. So let me just try throwing in some 9s and 1s. So if I put like a 1 here and a 9 here, that's going to be way too big. 9 times 4, 36. Maybe if I put a 1 there and a 9 there, one of them would be negative, perhaps a negative there and a positive there. This would be a 9x and a minus 4x. That sums 5x. It's not what I want. Okay, could erase that. I could try some 3s, a 3 here and a 3 here. I could try maybe minus and plus. Doing the outer inner check, 3x and minus 12x. That sums minus 9x. It's not what I want. I don't think I'm getting anywhere with this. All right, let's try this one. Again, I'm looking for these product pairs here that will get me to a negative 9. Let's see here. What if, oh, I've got an idea. This is how I think about it. 9 times 2 is 18, and 18 take away 2 is 16. So if you got that power, that'll really help you with factoring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a 9 here, I'm going to put a 1 here, and I want it to be negative, so I'm going to put a negative 9 there and a positive 1 there. All right, so if you weren't able to get it so quickly, you could just keep doing guess and check. And now let me check my answer. Minus 18x plus 2x minus 18x plus 2x is minus 16x. That is the answer. And there you have it, how to solve example 1e.